Hello guys, and welcome to my channel where I cook healthy desserts. In this video I'm going to show you a low-calorie carrot cake in just 10 minutes of your time. It's sugar-free, you can make it gluten-free and dairy-free. So that's a vegan cake as well. At first take 100 grams of carrots and you need to grate it. Then add some dry fruits, I'm using dried cranberries, and the same amount of nuts. Now some spices, I'm using cinnamon and ground ginger. You can also add a little bit of nutmeg. Then add sweetener and pour 160 milliliters of any milk. You're free to add some lemon zest, and I recommend to add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Now we move to dry ingredients. In fact, you can mix it in another order. As a flour, I'm using a mixture of wheat flour and oat flour, but any flour will do. But the amount of it may differ, so it's better to focus on the consistency. It took me about 200 grams of flour. Then 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. At the end, I add 1 tablespoon of any vegetable oil. That's how we make the cake more juicy and softer. You can use coconut oil or sunflower or anything else you like. As I promised, we won't use an oven for this recipe, we're using a microwave instead. So we need any container or mold suitable for microwave. I have this small container, 14 centimeters in diameter. Or use some molds for cupcakes. And bake it for about 4 minutes on high. While it's cooking, we can make a cream. You can use any cream cheese, for example, vegan cream cheese. I'm using low-fat cream cheese. Or even Greek yogurt if you have a thick one. Mix it with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and a bit of sweetener. That's optional, but highly recommended to add a tablespoon of strong alcohol, like whiskey or some liquor. In the meanwhile, the cake is ready. Check if it's done visually or with a toothpick. Let it cool so that you can handle it, or cool it completely in the fridge. Cut it into 2 layers, or you can make 3, but you need a little bit more cream. Now we can form the cake with our cream. Also, it's possible to soak the cake with a bit of lemon juice, water and sweetener, but this is optional. I've let the sides of the cake bare, but the decoration is up to you. I've decided to make a minimalistic, so I sprinkle it a little bit with chopped roasted nuts and some cinnamon. I guess some mint leaves will be beautiful as well. It's advisable to let it soak for an hour in the fridge or at room temperature, but you can definitely eat it right away. It is so delicious and so quick to make. I was amazed by this cake. Thank you very much for watching. Try this recipe at home and share your opinion. Bye guys!